Hello everyone, this is Vishal Raj. I am a final year undergraduate student from IIIT Ranchi. I am a Vice President of Student Council and also a part of Training and Placement Cell as one of the placement coordinator. As being in the placement team, my major goal was to interact with the organizations to make the things possible and to uphold the placement drives. While doing the same, I have interacted with Mr. Manoj Gupta, and from him I got the information that he used to take the mentorship session and used to mentor thousands of students so that they can excel in their career. So we have just invited him that just come to our organization to take a productive seminar so that our student could also learn the mistakes what they are doing right now. So to be honest, Mr. Manoj Gupta is really a very kind person, so he have accepted our invitation, and mm, in the last week he have taken a 2 hour session on the topic of supercharge your career, which was completely delivered by Mr. Manoj Gupta. And to be honest, that session was really one of the effective sessions which were happened in our campus, because as being in the council, I have seen lots of seminars, webinars used to be there, but most of them were not that much effective. But after attending this webinar, every student have got to learn lots of things which they must know before starting the career in the organizations, because as being in the final year, everyone is preparing to get into any organization, but while doing that they do lots of mistakes. To get into the company, students do lots of mistakes, because and students used to learn from after getting lots of rejection, then they get to know that okay, what exactly I have to do. At the same time, if anyone get into the organization, while getting into the organization also they used to do lots of other mistakes. So to avoid all those steps, so that with the less amount of time they can reach to the position which for which they have meant for, I think it's the best place to have, and I will suggest everyone that just interact with him and take part in the webinar which is currently holding by Mr. Manoj Gupta, and you will get lots of insights from that webinar. All the best.